Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to be doing some basic crochet box braids. This tutorial is definitely beginner friendly and extremely easy to follow along. I braided my natural hair to the back and applied some rosemary oil to my scalp. I'm also going to be using crochet box braids that I made from scratch, and I'll be showing you later on in this video how you too can create your own crochet box braids at home. So the installation method is pretty simple and easy. I inserted the crochet needle underneath my braid, placed the loop of the crochet braid inside or onto the hook of your crochet needle, close the latch, pull the crochet needle to the other side of the braid, slide the hair down to the end of the needle, then place the end of the braid into the hook and close the latch. Pull the end of the braid all the way through the loop and tighten at the base, and that's it. And this is a very repetitive process, so keep looking and I'll be back. the front is now completed, and I'm now going to move on to the back section and fill in the larger braids at the back. Unfortunately, this is where I ran out of braids, but no need to run to the beauty supply store. I can simply make as many as I need. And now I'm going to show you how I was able to create these beautiful crochet box braids. So let's keep looking. So now that I have what I need to complete my hair, let's continue. And now I'm just going to fill in the gaps and spaces at the back of my head. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Bye.